Hi guys, if you want to win, don't skip any part of this video. For the upcoming draw of Mahzooz, which is trying on 12th November 2022, I am going to give you the best and powerful hints according to the past history of Mahzooz draws. So please look it carefully and don't skip any part of the video. I am come up with some past similarities in which I will give you the best 3 golden numbers for our upcoming draw and also the best pattern. Friends, these are the 2 past results. And third one is our previous result. You can see whenever the 9 number came with any number like 19, and after that in 3 draws no number came with 9 like that, you can see no number came with 9 number in 3 draws. After that in 4th draw 9 number came as a second number in the result. You can see first time 19 number came, in 3 next draws no number came in 9, then in 4th draw 9 number came as a second number in the result. Same in second time when this thing was again happened, you can see the 29 number came with 9. In next 3 draws no number came with 9 number. After that in 4th draw again 9 number came as a second number in the result. You can also check these results for your satisfaction. Now third time again this thing has happened. The 9 number came with 19. These are our recent previous result. After that in 3 draws you can see no number came with 9. Now it's turned to 4th draw, which is trying on 12th November. According to this routine, the 9 number should come as a second number in the result. Let's see to the second thing. Friends, 2 times the last number 42 and 44 came. You can see these are past results. These are 6 numbers when Mahzooz picked 6 number, and second time with 5 numbers. Again this is our previous result. 42 and 44 has come as the last 2 numbers. First time you can see when this thing was happened, 26 number and 36 number came in the result. Same second time when this thing was happened, again same numbers you can see, 26 and 36 again came in the result. 26 and 36. It means that the numbers are favorite for this draw with 6. See 6, 26, 36. 3 numbers came with 6. In second draw, 2 numbers came with 6. Again third time, the 42 and 44 has come in our previous result according to this routine. 26 and 36. These are the best numbers, golden numbers. And third one is 9. These 3 numbers are golden numbers for our upcoming draw. If you like any number or 3 numbers, you can choose for your selection. You can also pick from these numbers because this is the latest result after 42 and 44. You can also pick 4, 9 or 38. These are all golden numbers: 4, 9, 38, 26, 36. Or you can also pick another number with 6 like 6 or 16 or 46. These are remaining numbers with 6, 16 or 46. But these are best 3 golden numbers. Another thing is best pattern. You can see when this thing was happened, the maximum numbers came in even. 6, 26, 32, 36, 40. 5 numbers came in even and only one number came in odd. In second time, when 5 numbers came, 4, 26, 36 and 38. 4 number came in even and only one number 9 came as a odd. Now according to this routine, in our upcoming draw, maximum numbers should come in even. You should select maximum numbers in even. Okay friends, it is my hard work for you. If you like anything from it, you can choose. If you don't like, you can leave it. So in the end, good luck to all and wait for my next video. Goodbye.